In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail on Samsung. By the end, your Google account will be connected through your phone's settings, so Gmail, Calendar, Contacts, and other Google services can sync smoothly in the background. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung device. The quickest way is to swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon, or you can find Settings in your app drawer. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data before you begin, so the sign-in process goes through without interruptions. Inside Setting, scroll to Accounts and Backup. This section is where your phone manages the different accounts that sign you into apps and services. Tap Manage Accounts to see what's already on your device. Now add your Google account. Tap Add Account, then choose Google from the list. Your phone may ask you to confirm your screen lock method, such as a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. You'll now see the Google sign-in screen. Carefully enter your email address, tap Next, then enter your password and tap Next again. If you use two-step verification, follow the on-screen prompts to approve the sign-in or enter your verification code. You may also be asked to review Google's terms and choose preferences like backups. You can leave the default options as they are or adjust them later if you prefer. The important part is to complete the prompts until you see confirmation that the account has been added. Once setup is complete, you'll be returned to the Manage Accounts page and your Google account will appear in the list. Sync begins automatically. Behind the scenes, your Gmail messages will start downloading and your contacts and calendar events will sync to the device. Give it a moment, especially if you have a lot of emails. You can open the Gmail app anytime to see messages as they arrive. If something doesn't go as expected, double-check your internet connection, make sure your email and password are typed correctly, and confirm that your device's date and time are set automatically. If prompted for verification, approve it on your trusted device or use your backup method. That's all there is to it. You've added your Google account through Samsung Settings, and Gmail is now set up on your phone. If you ever need to add another Google account, repeat the same process, and if you want to adjust what syncs, you can manage those options later from the account settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly connected Gmail on Samsung.